How many unpaired electrons are in an atom of an element with the following electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6? Alright, we are asked to identify how many unpaired electrons are in this element that has the electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6. How many unpaired electrons are here? First of all, we have to identify the elements that it is. Now, how do we identify the elements? By the electrons that are here. So these are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we know the element that has 10 electrons is neon. Neon is 10 electrons. So we are asked to identify the unpaired electrons. First of all, how do we identify the unpaired electrons? We have to draw the orbital configuration of it, the box configuration of it. Now this is it. We are told that the s orbital has just one subshell. So this 1s2 has one box. The 2s2, which is an s orbital, has just one box also. And now the p orbital has 3 subshells, which is 3 boxes. 2 and 3. So 2p6. And like we said, there are 10 electrons here. So let's distribute the electrons. And then we can now tell which of them has an unpaired electron. And before we do that, there's a rule that will guide us in order to distribute this electron properly. And that rule is called the Hund's rule. And what does this rule state? The rule states that while filling these orbitals, we have to fill them singly before we start pairing them. So we have to distribute 10 electrons across singly before pairing them. Now let's do that. Like I said, there are 10 electrons here: 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's do that. And we know that electrons come in spin, opposite spins, right? So this is the first electron: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we fill them singly. Now this is the time for pairing them. And let's now pair 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Now, merely looking at this configuration, we can observe that there is no unpaired electrons. Every box or every subshell has a paired electron. They are paired here, paired, and paired. So the number of unpaired electrons here is 0. So our answer there is 0. 0 unpaired